So we're hiking up this mountain trying to get to the top of this peak up here. Oops, big tree in the way. And I don't really see a trail or anything, so I'm just gonna have to figure it out. Say hi!
Hi!
Alright, bye. Well, that's where we came from. My lens blurry. Let's wipe this off. There we go. And this is where we're going. You can't really tell, but this is basically straight up.
What?
Alright. Hey, Whitney. What are we doing right now?
We're climbing.
Come stick your head out and tell me.
You.
I don't know where she is. Okay, bye. There. Let's see. Oh, holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy crap. I'm basically standing on top of a mountain.
What?
Oh. Okay, not quite. Almost. Hey, Whitney. There you are. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh my god. Beautiful.
You just climbed up?
Oh yeah, let's look. Take a look back. You know why I say don't look down? I didn't really understand it until now. That's what I was just standing on. This is fun.
We're almost done.
Okay, almost done. Almost there?
Yep.
Do you have a hole in your ass? Let's see. Oh, when he sat on a sharp rock. Hey, Mark! Say hi! Oh. Hey. Alright, almost there. Alright. Hey, guys.
So, I earned this.
Yeah?
It's delicious.
Correct.
It's vanilla.
This is Steven. Yeah. What are we doing right now?
Fucking rock climbing.
Rock climbing? We have reached the tippy top of Mount Si. In Texas, I'm sure it'd be Mount C, but in Washington, everything's a little different. So,
there are a lot of really convenient handles along the way.
Oh yeah.
this is true. Lots of big jugs.
I'm thinking we go down backwards.
I don't know. We are in the clouds, y'all. Look. Clouds. This is where we are.
Oh, yeah, backside.
So cool.
That one over there, I was checking to see if it was next
Look on the bike.
I'm about to chow down myself. Alright.
Hey,
Signing
water's
off.
on your pack.
Okay. Bye.